Are you a Biola student who needs academic and career help? Our college tutoring program ensures you never need to fear a low grade or failure again. We match and connect you with a hand-picked tutor that has already taken and passed your courses. With your tutor's help, you will become prepared for exams because we don't just focus on homework. We ensure you master the subject and do great on exams. With your tutor's help, you will graduate with confidence because you graduating with the highest GPA possible is our primary goal and why we do what we do. If you'd like to step up your academic career even more, secure your graduation and future with our B Guarantee option. Why choose our B Guarantee option? Well, we want you to stop worrying if you'll graduate on time. We guarantee you will. With our proven study and management skills, accountability and progress monitoring, plus unlimited tutoring. Also, for those feeling disorganized and overwhelmed due to ADHD, we provide ADHD management. Why choose our ADHD management program? We want to help you transform your ADHD from a nagging pain into a learning superpower. With our mindful focus and meditation techniques, study and organizational skills, plus unlimited tutoring. And finally, if you want to get a high-paying, stable, and secure career in analytic risk, then our Enterprise Risk Management Academy, also known as ERM Academy, is perfect for you. Why choose ERM Academy? Well, the number one reason is our graduates buy their own houses instead of living with their parents when they graduate. You'll be trained by top experts in the field of analytic risk, making you an in-demand expert. And from there, we guarantee that you will get hired. That's our promise to you. Will you be our next success story? Partner with us to secure your academic success. Call Mori at 949-973-4524. That's 949-973-4524. We look forward to helping you.